Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a poem, Song of the Open Road. It is written by Walt Whitman. Before going in details of the poem, here in icebreakers, there are some questions for you, and you have to imagine the answers. Modes of travel. Whenever we go somewhere, we go by means or we go by some modes of travel. There are four modes of travels: roadways, railways, waterways and airways. You have to imagine or you have to tell me which mode of travel would you like most for a journey. Imagine it. Now tell me, what preparations will you do for your journey? Make the list of the preparations you would like to make for your journey. And after that, while your journey, if you have some problems or hindrances, how will you overcome the problems or the hindrances? You have to imagine the answers of all these questions. Now, I am going to introduce the poet who has written this poem, Song of the Open Road. The poet of this poem is Walt Whitman. Who is the poet? Walt Whitman. He was an American poet, an essayist and a journalist. He has written a collection of poems, and that collection of poems is called Leaves of Grass. When Walt Whitman published his collection of poems, Leaves of Grass, no one was paying attention to his poems. But after that, when people began to read the Leaves of Grass, the poems in the Leaves of Grass, they came to know that the poems in the Leaves of Grass are of high quality. And after that, it became the symbol of democracy of America. So, Leaves of Grass became the symbol of democracy of America. Walt Whitman written so many good poems. O Captain, My Captain is also one of his popular poems which was written on the death of Abraham Lincoln. Here, the section 1 of Song of the poem Open Road from Leaves of Grass is a beautiful blend of self-awareness, free will and tenderness. It gives the poet's realization that along the journey of life, one will face a test of wisdom which is not tested in any school or university. When you talk about road, the road relates or road symbolizes us that road is something everyone uses, whether rich or poor, and it forces all levels of people to associate with one another. The road signifies mobility. One can take road as a point to start over towards something new. Whitman talks about the people and places, but he is against staying in one place for too long, although the hospitality may be true. When we talk about the road, we can say that the road is for a journey. The road takes us somewhere. The road symbolize something that we are going to start a new thing, a new journey. So here we are going on a journey of the poem. That poem is Song of the Open Road. It is written by Walt Whitman. Here is the poem, Song of the Open Road. A foot. Here is the first word, a foot is given. That means that a foot means he is prepared. He is prepared to start a journey. A foot means he is prepared to start on a journey. He is ready to go on a journey. A foot and light-hearted, I take the open road. The meaning of this line is that he is ready to go on a journey, but he is cheerful, he is happy, and he is ready to go on a journey. And I take the open road, healthy and free, the world before me. He is healthy, he is free, no limitations, no boundaries for him now, and now he is fit to go outside. The world before me, the long brown path before me, leading wherever I choose. He says, or poet says that he is healthy, he is free now, and he is going outdoor, he is going to the world, and this long path before him, leading to him to the world, and wherever he wants to go. No one is there to stop him from his journey. He says that I am free. No one is there to stop him from his journey. He is ready, he is prepared, and he is cheerful, happy now to go on the journey that he has chosen to go. A foot and light-hearted, I take the open road, healthy, free, the world before me, the long brown path before me, leading wherever I choose, and this road will go to the world, or will go wherever I would like to go. Henceforth, I am prepared to go on a journey. The poet says that he is prepared to go on a journey, but henceforth I ask not good fortune. Good fortune means here good fortune. Prepared to start on a journey, and good fortune means here good luck. Good fortune means good luck. He will not ask for good luck. Whom we ask? आपण कोणाला विचारतो? देवा मला हे, आपण देवाला विचारतो. कोणाला विचारतो? आपण देवाला विचारतो की देवा मला हे पाहिजे. देवा माझ्या नशिबात हे नाही, देवा माझ्या नशिबात ते नाही. So the poet says, the poet do not pray to God, do not pray God. Sorry, the poet does not pray God for good luck. He says, I myself am good luck. He doesn't pray God for good luck. Give me good luck so that I can progress, I can get the things. He says, look at the confidence of the poet. He says that I myself am good luck because I don't want any good luck from God. Henceforth का मतलब होता है, henceforth का अर्थ असा होतो now onwards मी याच्यानंतर, आजपर्यंत जे झालं ते झालं, पण याच्यानंतर I will not ask for good fortune. I myself am good fortune. Henceforth I whimper no more. Now onwards, आजपासून आतापासून याच्यानंतर I whimper no more. I will not complain of anything. The poet says that he will not complain of anything. I whimper no more. Whimper का मतलब होता है making a series of cries, a low cries. That is, make a series of low cries, weak and make a series of low, weak and sad cries, especially with fear and pain. एका भीतीमुळे आपण जे कर्कश असा आवाज काढतो, मी रडणार नाही, कुजबुजणार नाही. दॅट इज मीन्स व्हिम्पर. मी कुजबुजणार नाही, कशाची कुजबुज करणार नाही. Henceforth I ask not good fortune, I myself am good fortune. Henceforth I whimper no more. मी कशाचीही कुरबुर करणार नाही, कुजबुज करणार नाही. And I have planned a journey. I have planned a journey. I have planned of my progress. I have my plans of my progress, but I will not postpone I am not going to postpone my plans. Postpone no more. Need nothing. Now I don't need of anything. I am not going to postpone my plans, and I am not going whimper no more. I am not going to whimper. Done with indoor complaints, libraries, querulous criticism. I have stopped to complain of anything. I have stopped querulous criticism. Criticisms म्हणजे जर काही एखादी टीका केली असेल, कोणी टीका केली असेल तर त्या टीकांचीही कंप्लेंट करण्याचं मी आता सर्व थांबवलेलं आहे. I have done with indoor complaints, libraries and querulous criticism. Strong and content, I travel the open road. I am strong. I believe in myself and I am satisfied. So I am ready to go wherever I want to go. I am ready to go outdoors. I want to enjoy the freedom that is outdoors. But I am not going to stay in one place for a long